Hello everyone, this is Khalid and today we're going to solve a LeetCode question called contains duplicate number 2. So let's read the problem statement. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that the value of I is equal to the value of j and the difference between the indices I and j is less than or equal to the given k. So let's understand that more by reading these examples. So in example 1, we have an array which consists of 4 values. So here we have the value 1 is a duplicate, and we have it here and here. So we have met the first condition. We have to check if that condition is also met or not. So the difference between the index of that value and the index of that value is less than or equal to k. So the index of this value is 3 and this value is 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3, which is less than or equal to k. So we should return true. Another example here, we are given we have a duplicate of 3 ones, this one and these 2 ones, and we should now check the second condition if the index of that one is and minus that one is less than or equal to k. So this one is 2 and this one is 0, so 2 minus 0 is 2, which is not less than or equal to k. We should make the same comparison with the second one. So 3 minus 0 is 3, which is also not equal to 3, which is not equal to 1. And now we have these 2 ones, and the index of that one is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, which is less than or equal to 1. So now let's look at the constraints that we have. So we are not getting an empty array. The length of that array must be from 1 to that number, to 10 to the power 5, and the k value is between 0 and to 10 to the power 5 to the power of 5. Yes. So the way of one way of solving this problem is by using maps, and we should iterate. First of all, we should iterate over that array and store each unique value of that array. So now for this example, we will store 1 and the index of that one. So 1 and the index of that one is 0. And we will also store 2 and the index of that 2 is 1, and so on until we meet the duplicate value. In that case, we will make the comparison and we will check if the index of these values are less than k or not. In case it is less than or equal, we should return true. Otherwise, we will keep iterating till we till the end of the array. So let's start coding. We will initialize our map. Now we will make a for loop that will iterate over the array. So we will start it by 0 and tell the nums.length, and we will increment each iteration by 1. So as we said, we will store each unique value in the map. So if that value is not exist in the map, if not map.has that value nums I, we should set it to the map. So the way of doing it is like this: map.set, and we should set the value itself and its index I. Otherwise, like in this case, we are sure that that value is already stored in the map, so it is a duplicate. So in case it's a duplicate, we have checked that condition. Now we have to check this condition. So if map.get that value nums I, yes, minus the I itself, if that is less than or equal to k, we should return true. I think we should get that value in the absolute, so we are not getting a negative values like this. So if these values are not if the difference between these value the index of these values are not less than or equal to q, I will update the value of that of the current value. So I will set it again, set nums I and the new value of I. Like this, and I will keep iterating till the end of the array. Otherwise, in case we didn't get any match, we will return false at the end of the code. So let's test that out. We are getting here an error. Let's try to understand that. We should return here the nums I, not the I itself. Nums I, yes. Oops, we should like make that out of the it was a syntax error, not a syntax error, an order error. And now, as we can see here, we have successfully solved the problem. Let's verify that by submit it. I hope you enjoyed that video. See you in the next one.